Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do a bunch of unboxings for you. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and I really didn't want to put all of this stuff on my Instagram just because it'd be a lot of boxes to put on my Instagram. So I have a bunch of boxes here that I just wanted to show you what I got. And yeah, so the first box I'm going to start with is my Boxycharm. I know it's upside down because it's open, but that is the look that I have on today. I was really inspired by the Laura Lee palette that I got in my Boxycharm, so I will just show you all of the things that I got, and I will try to put prices on the screen here of what everything costs, and if not, then I'll just put them down below in the description box. So the first thing that we got in our Boxycharm for the month of August was this Laura Lee palette, and this is the Party Animal palette. And when I saw it, I was like, I think I'm just gonna give it away. Like, I'm just really not interested in it, and it's just so much color, and I've been really liking my neutrals lately, and you know, I just really wasn't very interested in it. And then I thought about it yesterday as I was driving, and I was like, man, I just have a really good idea for a look using almost all of these colors. So I ended up doing this look that I have on today, and yes, I am wearing false lashes, which I never wear, but nonetheless, we're trying something different today. So I used this It's a Party color in my crease. I used the hungover color on the outer V and the inner V, and I kind of dragged it to the lower lash line as well. I used the color Dranks, I don't know, in the center of my lid as like a halo eye type of look, and then I used the shade Bottoms Up at the top of my crease, just kind of connecting the purples together, and also in my lower lash line as well. So I used every single color except for the two blues. I did not use Damage Control or Karaoke. Blues just aren't my thing, and I'm kind of sick of blue right now. Blue's everywhere. So that was the first item that we got, and I actually think it's really good so far. I've only used it once, I don't have a review on it, but it's like super pigmented. I did use a sticky base so that it would stay a little bit better and the colors would show up better, and I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. So the next thing I got was a pair of lashes from the House of Lashes, and I got the pair Siren, and it is the lashes that I have on today. I'm not very good at lashes because I never wear them, but I don't know, the band was super thin. I really liked how thin it was. It was very easy to apply and easy to take off because I actually applied this eye first, and then I had to take it off because it wasn't quite close enough to my lash line because I never wear lashes. So anyways, I am wearing this shade, or this pair of House of Lashes, and I will try to put up in the screen what it looks like not on my lashes. And then the next thing that I'm wearing from this box is obviously the lipstick. So I got the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Action, and it is this purple, like lavender lilac type of color. And here it is here. I don't know, it's actually really nice. It's super opaque. It does make my teeth look quite yellow, which I don't love, but this is like the only purple lipstick that I've actually enjoyed wearing ever, besides a dark purple that I have. I don't hate it, so I think I'm gonna keep this around for just random videos and special occasion type of things like Halloween and stuff. I usually don't keep lipsticks just for Halloween, but I really like this one, so I'm going to, I just dropped everything, stick around with this one. And then the next item I got was from Bang Beauty, and this, I did open it. It's like a pot liner, and it's in the shade Chocolate. And I mean, I don't use these. I've given away two from Tarte previously, and I'm not gonna use this. So I think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. That little smudge was already on there, so I don't know what that's from, maybe just from the packaging or whatever, but yeah, I won't use that ever. I don't really like potted eyeliners, so there's that. And then the last two things I got a 3 set of Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, which I was gonna wear today, but I didn't want to put them on with all this makeup already on my face. But I really love the Wander Beauty brand. I've loved pretty much everything I've gotten from them, so I'm really excited to try these out since my ones from the Hydro Cool firming gels, I can't remember what they're called, but I've used all those up, so I'm really excited to have these ones. And then the last thing I got was from Ades New York, and it is a cuticle oil, which I don't have already. So I'm actually really excited to have this and to try this out. So yeah, there's that. I'm pretty excited about this actually. I have never used a cuticle oil previously, and my cuticles have been so bad lately from the amount that I wash my hands at work, so I'm really excited to try that out. So that was everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Let's move on to something else. So the next thing I got was actually from Ipsy, and it's like just a little container that you can get on their Ipsy like daily rewards or whatever. This was a $12 or $15 pack, I'm not sure, but it was just a bunch of face masks, and face masks that I'd like to try more of. So there's two Labotica masks. The one is the bamboo, and the other one on the back is the avocado one. So there's two in here. And then two of these recipe masks. I'm not quite sure. I've never tried these. This is the peach jelly bomb mask and the rose jelly bomb mask. So I'm definitely going to try those out and see if I like them. And then we got two of these Mustus Be a Skin Vegetarian. Not sure, Daily Harvest Squeeze Energy Up mask pack. I'm not quite sure, but there's two of those in there. I'm kind of excited to try those. And then we got two of these from Lab for You. It is the Juice Up Pumpkin Mask and the Juice Up Kale Mask. So I'm excited to try those as well. And then finally we got two more masks, so we got a ton of masks in here. These are from Ebonel Skincare Hyaluronic Collagen Sheet Mask, and these are both this exact same mask. So I'm kind of excited about the collagen part of it because I feel like my skin's getting old. I know it's not, but seriously. Anyway, so that was a ton of masks we got in here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 masks for $12 to $15. No shipping and no tax. I mean, seriously, that's like $1 a mask or like $1.25 a mask. Amazing price. I'm really excited to try all those out, especially because my masks have been dwindling since I've been doing my sample project pan, because in my opinion, a sheet mask is a sample because you only get one use out of it. So that's my opinion on that. So the next thing that I have for August is my Birchbox, and this is a new subscription for me. I just started getting it in June, so I'm kind of excited about it. I think this is my August Birchbox. Let me just double check here. Now I'm thinking it's my July Birchbox. It's probably July, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm almost certain. Anyways, so the one thing that I chose for this Birchbox was the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm, and this is like an after shower hair care. So I'm really excited to try that one. And then I got the Ico London Brow Liner Medium in shape for shaping and defining, and I guess the color is medium. I did try this on my hand. I'll show you guys, and it's just like a stain almost. It's really interesting. I haven't tried it on my brows yet, but I am excited to try it. I just don't want it to stain for too long. And then I got a Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. This is a nice little travel size, and I actually get quite a bit of use out of these small ones, so this is a good size for me. And then I got the, I don't know if it's Davines or Avenies Love Shampoo and Conditioner. I got a pretty good size shampoo, which I use more shampoo than I use more conditioner than shampoo, so it's kind of sucks a little bit. And then I got this tiny little foil pack of conditioner, which is probably going to be like 1, maybe 2 uses if I'm lucky. And then I got this Revive Aero cooling cheek tint, which I really don't think I'm going to get a lot of use out of, but I am going to try to use cream products a little bit more here at the end of summer and see if there's something that I can work with. So I'm kind of excited to try that one. The last thing that is in here, which I actually didn't even realize it was in here, is the original makeup eraser sample. I'm not really sure how to use this. You wet it and then you wipe your face off, so it's like a wet wipe basically, I guess, but you have to wet it yourself so it's dry originally. I don't know, maybe I'll take this on the cruise with me and try it. But yes, that is all that I got from Birchbox this month, and I actually think that's a really good amount. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in Birchbox, so honestly, I've been really happy with my Birchbox samples that I've been getting in the past couple boxes, and I don't regret purchasing it at all because I feel like I've used a lot of the samples that I've gotten, and I'm excited about a lot of the samples that I've never tried before, so there's that. Okay, the next box that I want to show you is my Sephora Play for the month of July, I think, because I haven't gotten my June one or my August one yet. Yes, this is the July 2018 one. And you guys know that this one just came with the regular bag, which I don't hate because I don't really use these bags anyways. So the first thing I got in this little foil pack, which means I probably didn't get a perfume sample, is the Rahua Freestyle Texturizer Effortless Texture Body and Hold little sample. I mean, I don't really texturize my hair, but we'll try it. And then I got the Tarte Party Blush, which we all got in our birthday gifts from last year at Sephora, so I'm guessing that these were the leftover ones, and I'm sure we're probably gonna get the birthday suit lipstick here soon in the boxes. I would not be surprised at all. And then I got a tiny little sample of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. I have a full size of this, but I'll probably try this sample size before I use the full size just to see if I like it, because if I'm going to give something away, I'd rather give away the full size if I don't like it, you know? And then I got a Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, and it's ultra hydrating, so I think I'm going to save this until the winter time to try it. And also I have a ton of other face moisturizers to keep working on, so I don't want to open a new one yet. And then I have the Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I totally forgot I was getting this. I really wanted to try this essence. It's such a small amount, but I really think this could last me some good amount of time. So that is what it looks like. I have never tried this, and this is one that I've been having on my list for a while now, my Sephora Loves page, for the 20% off sale coming at the end of the year, so I'm really excited about that. And then I have the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Honestly, my girlfriend got the original one that's not pink, and I kind of wish I would have gotten that one as well, but I mean, I'm gonna try this. I've never tried any of the Fresh products. It doesn't pop off. Does it screw? Okay, it screws off, but holy crap. It's actually a lot of product in there. I'm actually kind of excited to try this. So I don't typically like this, but I will try the pink tinted ones. I usually only use pink tinted lip stuff in the summertime, so now is the time to try it. But that was all for my Sephora Play box for the month of July. And I have one more box for you, and I'm hoping I'm going to get my Ipsy and my Sephora Play here soon before I post this video. So if I do get those before I post this, then I will add those on to the end of the video. I'll probably be wearing different makeup or maybe no makeup at all, just so I can post that for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to open up a ton of my boxes because I've been neglecting my Instagram lately with my pictures, because I have been cleaning my office, which is like spotless now. It's so nice. Anyways, I have one more box for you. So the final box that I have for this update, hopefully not the final box, but we'll see, is the Walmart Beauty Box. You guys know that this is a $5 subscription, which really isn't a subscription. It's just you pay $5 and it comes seasonally, so 4 times a year, and you only pay for shipping, so you're not paying for any of the products in here, just for the shipping costs. So I really like that. It's like a brand share box, so you can try out a bunch of different things before you go ahead and purchase the full size. So the first thing I have in here is the Pantene Pro V Foam Conditioner for sheer volume. I have not tried this yet in the foam type. I'm not sure it's gonna be my favorite, but I will give it a good try. And then you get tons of like these little pamphlets. Okay, so that pamphlet goes with this one, the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treatment 1-Minute Hair Mask. So that is actually a good size. There's quite a bit of product in there, so I think that'll actually be a full mask. And then we got this other little pamphlet for the Garnier Skin Active Smoothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer, and it's a day and night mask, and it is in rose water. I don't know, it looks nice. And like I said, same with the other one, there's a really good amount of product in here, so I think that is going to be a great little sample. And then we have the Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips for face and bikini. There's 4 wax strips in here. Interesting. I have never waxed before in my entire life, but I might actually try it with these little wax strips. I don't know. Maybe I should film that, like me like waxing my upper lip or something. I don't really have a lot of hair, but you know. All right, and the next thing is a travel size set of Kleenex wet wipes in Gentle Clean. There's 8 wet wipes in here, so I'm probably gonna just put these in my car for my messy little son and myself for traveling. So that's actually a good little sample there for me. Okay, and the very last thing in the box is a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask with hyaluronic acid. I have been wanting to try one of these forever, and I'm so glad it's in the box. This is like $8. This one mask, I swear to you, is like $8. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, that's an amazing price. $5 for all of those samples of things that you're hopefully gonna try. And if you don't wanna try them, hey friends, do you guys wanna try some of this stuff? I got a bunch of samples. You know what I mean? Like, why not pay the $5? It's only $20 a year and you get tons of samples. So I really love the Walmart brand share boxes. I think they're actually better than the Target ones, because the Target ones you can pay anywhere from $7 to $15, and they send a lot of the same products in the Target ones. In the Walmart ones, you get tons of different products, which I love, and things that I would never have picked off the shelf for myself to try. So I really do like these little boxes of samples, and I enjoy trying samples and seeing what works for me and what doesn't, and keeping track of the things that I really liked and just kind of getting rid of the things that I didn't. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and like I said, I haven't done an unboxing on my channel in a while, and that's because I get a little overwhelmed with everything staying in the boxes. I like to open the box, put everything away, and go on with my day, because it stresses me out having tons of boxes around. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.